learners lunch.
Hi kids, today we are learning about yummy vegetables. Let's go. Carrot. Carrots are orange and crunchy. Rabbits love them. Potato. Potatoes make yummy fries, chips and mashed potatoes. Tomato. Tomatoes are red and juicy. They make tasty ketchup. Onion. Onions can make you cry, but they add lots of flavor to food. Cucumber. Cucumbers are green, crunchy and great in salads. Broccoli. Broccoli looks like a tiny tree. It makes you strong. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is white and fluffy, just like a cloud. Spinach. Spinach makes you strong. Lettuce. Lettuce is leafy and crunchy. It makes burgers extra yummy. Cabbage. Cabbage has many layers and is great in soups and salads. Bell pepper. Bell peppers come in red, yellow and green, so colorful. Peas. Peas are tiny and round. Corn. Corn is yellow and sweet. You can eat it on the cob or as popcorn. Pumpkin. Pumpkins are big, orange and perfect for Halloween. Radish. Radishes are red outside and white inside. They taste spicy. Beetroot. Beetroots are deep red and make your hands pink when you touch them. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are orange inside and taste sweet, just like their name. Eggplant. Eggplants are purple and shiny. Zucchini. Zucchinis look like cucumbers, but they are dark green. Mushroom. Mushrooms grow in forest. Some look like tiny umbrellas. Garlic. Garlic makes food tasty. Ginger. Ginger is spicy and good for keeping you warm in winter. Green beans. Green beans are long and crunchy. Celery. Celery is super crunchy and great for dipping in peanut butter. Asparagus. Asparagus looks like tiny spears. It's super healthy. Turnip. Turnips are round and can be white, purple or pink. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger is slimy inside but makes yummy curries. Chili pepper. Chili peppers are super spicy. Leek. Leeks are like giant green onions. They make soup delicious. Yam. Yams look like sweet potatoes but are even bigger. Wow! We met so many tasty veggies today. Don't forget to eat your veggies to stay strong and healthy.
Thanks for watching.